Good afternoon, guys. Lovely sunny Tuesday afternoon indeed. Yeah, almost 12:30. Got my birds outside. Yeah, as usual. As I top up the seeds, yeah, and replace clean fresh water. Lover boy, just chilling out. I've got my finches up here, 2 female canaries. One is going through a conditioning, and I have my white eyes. Yeah, I've got my hybrid siskin, blackened, yellow-bellied siskin, pike green singer. Yeah. Got my semi-deserty black-throat here. It's also absorbing vitamin D. Very young juvenile black-throat. Yeah, semi-deserty black-throat. And here's Maximus. He just came out from the sun tanning. This is Maximus for you. This is Lover Boy's older brother. There he is. Another badass Shama indeed. Yeah. Just chilling out. Going through this pandemic, well, what can I say? Yeah? Just chilling out at home, doing the birds, going to the farm, and that's about it. Yeah, keeping songbird going through this pandemic. Just have to stay safe, I guess. Yeah. Chill out, cook some nice lunch, dinner, or just do takeaway. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys.